Greetings from BITA Academy. We are beginning with the C++ programming from this video. And C++ was developed by Jane Startup as an extension to C language. C++ is an object-oriented programming language and is a structured programming language. So the code of the C++ can be reused and is portable. Both C and the C++, it has almost the same syntax, but the major difference between C and the C++ is that C++ it supports the classes and objects, but C does not support it. And C++ provides rich set of libraries, considering it as a choice to develop many desktop applications, video games, etc. And C++ provides robust exception handling capacities, and it is having the efficient memory management techniques also. And we are going to use Notepad++ as the editor. The code has its extension as .cpp, and the compiler instructions are G++, the program name .cpp -o, and the executable file name. We'll learn a simple C++ programming code. And it is beginning with the hash include IOStream. Here IOStream is the header file which has the library functions containing input and output objects, that is cin and cout. Cin and cout, they are similar to that of the scanf and printf that we used in the C language. And the next one is the using namespace std. It can use names of objects and variables from standard library. A namespace in C++, it provides scope or a region where we define identifiers. It is then followed by int main. And each C++ statement ends with semicolon. So cout, hello world, endl, semicolon. Here endl is the escape sequence. It is similar to that of /n. We can also use /n here. And this is going to be the insertion operator. This less than symbol is the insertion operator. And for cin, we are going to use double greater than symbol, which is called as the extraction operator. Okay. Now we'll see the C++ code. Hash include IOStream using namespace cd int main cout hello world endl. I'm closing it. I'm saving the code as program C++ source file. Let me compile and execute the code. G++ program.cpp -o program. See, the hello world has got printed. So hope you are all clear with the basic structure of a C++ program. So meet you all in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.